Do you want to know how you can log into your Netspend employer account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to Tech Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Netspend employer account. Go ahead and open your Chrome or Edge browser and go to the Google search bar to search for Netspend employer login. What you need to do is scroll down and find this link which says Rain Instant Pay. Go ahead and click on this link and it will lead you to the official portal of Netspend Employer. So go ahead and write down your email address and your password associated with your Netspend Employer account. Make sure that you have already registered to your Netspend Employer, so go ahead and write down your email address, your password and click sign in. After that, you will successfully be logged into your Netspend Employer account. You can hide or unhide the password by clicking on this button over here on password, and if you have forgotten your password, this is the link for you to recover your password. It's quite easy guys, all you need to do is search for Netspend Employer login, scroll a bit down and find this link over here. Click on it, write down your email address, your password and then click sign in. I hope this video about how you can log into your Netspend employer account was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.